Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Ethereum directly within your MetaMask wallet using a credit card. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to fund your wallet, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction. We'll cover everything from accessing the buy feature to confirming your purchase, making it easy for you to get started with crypto. First, open your MetaMask wallet and log in. Once inside, you'll see a prominent Buy button. Click this to initiate the purchase process. MetaMask will then prompt you to select your region and the fiat currency you wish to use, such as US dollars or euros. This step is crucial for displaying the correct payment providers available to you. After selecting your region, MetaMask will present a list of third-party payment providers. These services facilitate the conversion of your fiat currency into Ethereum. Take a moment to compare their fees and the exchange rates offered. Look for a provider that explicitly supports credit card payments and offers competitive terms to ensure you get the most value for your money. Finally, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to purchase. You'll then be redirected to the chosen provider's platform to securely input your credit card details and billing information. Double-check all the transaction details before confirming. Once approved, your Ethereum will typically appear in your MetaMask wallet within a few minutes, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.